Hey guys, it's Dawn here, and I wanted to talk about the DJI charge hubs. So this is a charge hub for the Neo, and this is a charge hub for the Flip, and I believe it's the same for both of these. Hey, I was charging this up on my, you just see a USB-C port over here, so you just plug it in any regular cable, USB-C, like plug it in there, and it was only charging one battery at a time. And I was like, wait, I thought it did something different, right? So anyways, I looked more into it, and this is actually in the instruction manual, but who reads instruction manuals, right? So in case you're like me and you don't want to read the instruction manual, let me break this down for you, because this is actually really good information to know. So these charge hubs, well, the Flip has it's able to hold 4 batteries, and the Neo can hold 3 batteries. And I'm going to talk in terms of the Neo right now. So, all right, now you guys know that I'm not great with technical data, but let me see if I can get this straight for you guys. So, why do I keep putting this down and then I'm like looking for it to show you guys? Okay, so this is the one for the Neo. It can hold 4 batteries. 3. God damn it. Okay, this is not going to a good start. 3 batteries. The Flip can do 4. See, that's why it's like, okay, I need to just focus on one. Okay, we're focusing on the Neo. It can do 3. So here's the hub, and then you have the cable. There's 3 parts to this: the hub, the cable, and then the charge block. Okay, and that will look. Did I bring it? God dang it, I didn't bring the little charge block. There's a little charge block. It just looks like a little block. That's what you plug into the wall, okay? And then the USB-C cable plugs into that, and then the other end plugs into here, and then it charges. So here we go. Here's the data. What you do is you need to get a charge block and cable that can support 60 watts, PD, power delivery. It's like a BMS. It's like smart charging sort of thing, right? There's a PD in here, power delivery thingy computer in here, that when you connect, you need a PD compatible charge block, and then this little guy will talk to that little guy and then tell him how much power to send between the two. So if your charge block is 10 to 30 watts, then it will only charge the battery 1 at a time. If your charge block and cable is can support up to 45 watts, I can't remember. Oh gosh, it's like 40 or 45. Let me see. Do I have? Okay, 30 to 45. If it can support 30 to 45, then it will charge 2 batteries at the same time. And what it does is, it will look for the battery that is at its highest charge, the one that needs the least amount of charge to get it to full. Okay, and it will charge that one first. So he does that. Then if it wants to charge 2 batteries at a time, it will look for the next highest one and charge the next highest one up to where it matches the higher battery, and then it will charge these 2 batteries together at the same time. Yay! So, and then if you get a charge block and cable, they have to match. You know what I mean. The cable needs to support this wattage as well. So if you get the charge block, that can, fight, no, fighting. Okay. Almost had a kitty fight death going on here. So if you get a charge block that is 45 to 60 watts, and the cable that supports it, then it will charge 3 at the same time. So what it'll do is it will get the other 2 to where they will match the highest one, and then it'll charge once these 3 match the third one that's higher, then they all 3 charge up at the same time. So really cool, right? So the problem wasn't, my original thing was, oh, yeah, charge 1 at a time. That's dumb. I thought it was able to charge all 3 at a time. Yes, it is. But the problem was me. I didn't have a charge block and cable that can support it. So it needs to be at least 60 watts. It needs to be able to support 60 watts. So, and then, dumb me, I didn't know that cables had a rating too. But yeah, even the cable has a rating. So yeah, so on the shopping cart now is a charge block that can support 60 watts, and it needs to be PD, power delivery compatible, and then the cable that can support 60 watts. Then when we plug into this, we can charge all 3 batteries at the same time. So that's how you do it. The other thing is that these hubs are intelligent hubs, and it's bidirectional. So a lot of times we're not using these batteries to empty. They actually recommend that if the battery is less than 40% charge, that you just switch it out to a new battery, especially for conditions. Like obviously in my garage, I can probably, run it down safely as it's low. But if we're out and about, yeah, at 40%, I want to think about calling him back in and giving him a new battery to work with. We don't want him getting stranded out there. So if you have all these 3 batteries in here at 40% and you're like, okay, I'm done for the day, no more using these batteries or whatever, and your phone at the end of a ride, your phone is getting low, you can connect this to your phone, and this can help charge up your phone or whatever else you need charged. So this is a bidirectional, so it can be used as a power bank as well. So anyways, another cool reason to, it makes it really handy to have in your bag, and it gives it an additional value, right? So that's really cool. Anyways, that was all I wanted to let you guys know. And I'm testing out a new microphone, so I want to testing that out, see how that works out. And another thing, I'm going to sneak this in here, because I don't know where else to put it. On the flip, on this side over here, this is your power button. On the other side is your mode button. I really don't like where the mode button is. Like, how could they, why did they even do that? Because you're supposed to do a pinch hold. But when you do the pinch hold, you're pinching right where that mode button is. And like, I keep pushing the mode button because I'm just trying to hold him. So yeah, that's not good. On the other side, the power button is over there, and it's actually not in the way. See, my finger's here, the power button's over there. But on this side, it is right in the waist of the thing, right where I'm going to push. So yeah, I don't get that, and I don't like that at all. I didn't know where to put that random piece of information, but there it is. All right, anyways, hope this helps. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Consider joining my YouTube channel as a member, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.